Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing us how to practice for our transcription jobs. Lots of people have been asking me questions on my DM telling me they have been having issues passing transcription tests and all of that. So that brought me to today's video. The truth is, you can't just go out there and apply for transcription jobs if you don't even know how to do transcription jobs itself. And funny enough, there are lots of ways you can get practice files to practice for free for your transcription jobs. Although there are companies that you can register with that will teach you, but then you have to pay if you want to learn from this company. But if you don't have money, you want to start all of this for free and do it without investing a capital from scratch, then there are files that you can get. There are free files online that you can get to practice for these transcription jobs, and I'm going to be sharing with us how to get these files, how to practice with these files, and get yourself equipped for transcription jobs even before you apply. And trust me, when you follow this process, your application will be smooth and then you can easily be accepted. And even when you are accepted, it will be easy for you to flow with the jobs that will come afterward. So that is what I'm going to be teaching us in today's video. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, this is GoTranscript, a digital space for online entrepreneurs where people come to learn, go out there to create their own and start making money for themselves. So if today is your first time, do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon so that you will stay up to date when I post new videos like this. And most importantly, don't forget to hit the like or thumbs up button in this video and give me your valuable comment in the comment section below. And to my amazing viewers, I say a big shout out to you and thanks for always watching my videos. Alright, with that said, let's dive into the video so that I will show you everything step by step. Alright, in my previous video I discussed how to get transcription jobs here in Nigeria, and one of the places I mentioned is GoTranscript. So if you are here in Nigeria and you want to get transcription jobs, you can go to GoTranscript and register with GoTranscript. It's easy for them to accept you even if you are in Nigeria. And the most amazing part with GoTranscript is that you can receive your money via Payoneer. It's not like others that accept just paper. So with this, you can receive your money with Payoneer, with paper, or any other means. So go ahead and register. This is GoTranscript. So I'm going to show us how to get the practice files from GoTranscript so that you can practice with them and get a better chance of being accepted. Now if you come to GoTranscript, this is how it looks. This is the interface. All you want to do is to look for where it says work with us. So here is work here. You can see it here. When you click on this work, it's going to, let me just click on it so that I'll open it. It's going to bring you to this place. This is the place it's going to bring you up to, and it's going to tell you to apply now. Please follow me through. I'm going to show you how to get the transcription practice file, but just follow everything I'm doing here step by step. Now when you click on this apply now, what is going to happen? It's going to show us, okay, the different languages you can apply with. So just click on English. That is what we are using here. Now you see here it says apply for transcription position. To apply for our transcription position, you must complete a 100% correct quiz using our guideline. So you must complete this quiz and it must be 100% using their guideline. So this is a small question for you. Just have to answer all of these questions and click confirm. Now before you do that, there is a place here that says using our guideline. So you want to open this guideline. Now that's why I said you should follow everything I'm doing here step by step. This guideline is what you're going to use even when you are practicing. So when you click on this, let me just open it on a new tab. I already opened it before. When you click on it, this is the guideline here, the one I opened earlier. You can see it here. It's going to bring you to this guideline. You can see here, GoTranscript transcription guidelines. So you want to read all of this. Please make sure you read everything and understand it. If possible, look for pen and paper to write down every important part. Like I said, you must have a paper or Payoneer. They pay through paper or Payoneer. That is why I love them. So you can see here, let me open the one I just opened recently. This is it. It's the same thing with this. There is no difference. So you want to read all of this before you go for the practice file. So once you understand all of this, the next thing you want to do is to come to GoTranscript.com/practice. So you go to GoTranscript.com/practice. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, so you just click on it and it's going to bring you here as well. So when you come here, you're going to see transcription test 1, then test 2, and you're going to see editing what tests. So these are files for you to practice with. Guys, practice with all these files before you even go ahead to apply or to take this test. Practice with all these files, because when you practice with these files, the truth is you will not understand all their guidelines, because you're going to make use of the guidelines even as you practice. You will not understand all their guidelines, and it will not be easy for you to take the test. So now let's go back to this. When you click on any one of this, it's going to open up their practice file. So this is one of it here, the one I already opened. So guys, this is it. Now look at what it says here. Say here you can practice your transcription skills with an old GoTranscript test. After you will finish it, you will see all errors you have made. To successfully finish this test, you need to read our transcription guidelines. This is why I took you through the part of understanding the guidelines first. So now this test job needs to be done in clean verbatim without timestamping. Now you need to understand what clean verbatim is. There is clean verbatim, there is full verbatim, and you need to understand what timestamping is. So all these things are inside the guideline. I think this is the guideline. All right, so this is it. If you come down, you're going to see, you can see here it says full verbatim here. Then if you come down, you're going to see clean verbatim. You can see here it says clean verbatim. Then if you come down also, you're going to see timestamping. You see here say timestamping types. So these are all the things you need to read to understand what you need to do before you even apply for their jobs. So right now we are here on the practice file. Now you need to keep practicing with the guidelines. So all you need to do to practice, this is the practice file, this is the audio file here, is 3 minutes, it's a 3 minutes file. So you just need to read, click on it to play it to understand what the person is saying. So let me just play it for us.
I want to start off by saying that I know I have an accent.
So that is the speaker. Now you remember we have what we call speaker 1. You can use speaker 1. Then
I have an accent.
Always remember
Please
to bold.
Don't assume it's Russian. More and more people are complaining about the GoTranscript test.
Sorry. So now, as you type here, it's going to play. As you type in this place, it's going to automatically play. So that's why you hear the voice playing while I'm typing. Once you type in, it pauses. After typing and you give some timestamp, it continues playing. So that is how it works. So you need to understand all of this. Now if you come down, it also shows you the shortcuts you can use, shortcuts and what all the things you need to know while doing the job. Here you can see here the speakers. You can see speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker. All the speakers are here. This is what you need to do. Everything you need to do are just here. So guys, you need to practice with this first. Understand all of this before you continue with any registration on GoTranscript. So this is their practice file. Now even if you come here, you will see if you come back to the place, you're going to see editing test 1 to 6. There are different types of editing tests you can also take. So take all of this and practice with them. And if you come to this place, I already opened this one up. Another thing you can do for yourself to even make your job easier for you is to install Grammarly. Please do. I don't think any person that is doing transcription job should not know about Grammarly. If you're doing transcription job, you should know about Grammarly, and then also know about grammar check. So let me just show you this plugin here, grammar and spell checker. Install this and also install Grammarly. So install these two plugins. They will help you a lot to make your job easier. So look at it here. This is the editing test. When I open it up, this is the editing test. So you can also play this.
So we're going to talk about dogs. What you should look out on buying a dog.
So it says, so we are going to talk about dogs, what you should look out on buying. Now look at, before you go ahead, always remember to read your instructions. So this is the instruction here. Say the test job needs to be done in clean verbatim. So what you should look when buying, what you should look on when buying a dog. So does it sound normal? What you should look when on buying a dog. That is not what the person said. So you need to listen to what the person said here.
So we're going to talk about dogs. What you should look out on buying the dog.
So
the legs engaged.
You see there is error here. So you need to correct those errors. You need to listen to what the person says and correct every errors here. All the errors you see, ensure that is corrected according to what the person is saying and is in clean verbatim. So do well to read what clean verbatim is. I'm not going to explain it here for us. So that is about GoTranscript. The next place you want to get practice files for your practice job is using Scribe. So if you come to Scribe, this is scribe.com. If you come to Scribe, Scribe also gives you practice files. You can practice, guys. Go ahead and practice with all of this. Practice, you can give yourself one practice file per day. If you come to GoTranscript, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 practice files. So practice with this one per day. If you come to Scribe, they also have their own. So when you come to Scribe, also do well to read their guidelines. So for you to see the practice files on Scribe, just go to scribe.com/transcription/practice. Now when you come to their practice files, please guys, do well to read their instructions. This is their instructions here. Just go through the instruction, read everything about the instruction here, and also follow through their guidelines. So you read all of this here, and then also do well to follow through their guidelines. Now if you come down here, you're going to see all the practice files here. You can see these are all the files, 1, 2, 3. You can look at all of them here, all the files here. So all you need to do, for anyone you want, you can just click select, and it's going to open up that one for you. Like I said, follow through their guidelines. If you come to this place, their help center, you're going to see their guidelines. If you come down, if you scroll down, you will see transcription guidelines. I think it's somewhere. Okay, let me see. Okay, so you see it here, transcription guidelines. So you should read the guidelines to understand their own rules before you even take the test. So now if you come back to this place, just click on any one of these. It's going to open it up. Let me just click on this. Okay, so you just open it up here. So this is that file I just opened. All you need to do is do the same thing. Let's play it. And here,
actually say anything in Austria. He wasn't even accused of saying anything. He was accused of perhaps planning.
So you just type it out here. So this is what you need to do. After doing all of this, then you hit the submit button. After you've listened from beginning to the end and typing it out here, you hit the submit button. So guys, this is what you need to do first before you apply for any of the transcription sites. Don't just go out there and then pick one and apply. You may not be able to pass their test except you go through this. The essence of going through this is it will help you understand their guidelines, help you know their guidelines and what they require from you before you even go ahead to apply with any of them. Guys, I believe you've gotten a lot of value from this teaching. If you have, please do well to hit the thumbs up and also give me a valuable comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to GoTranscript. My aim is to see that you're making money and you're succeeding online. I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed.